essential thing is our life. We are not alive. We have, if we lost something, it's okay. One in this experience, one teenager said, from these calamities I learned how important are my parents, because the parents no help to save their life. So it's important to appreciate the life. This is the most essential. The things are the other things are secondary. We say thank you to the Lord for all these moments of bonding and helping each other. Sumainyo ang Panginoong
at sumainyo rin.
Ka sa Diyos ang inyong puso at diwa.
Itinaas na namin sa Panginoon.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Lead me, Lord, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go along my way, help me take the right direction, take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side all my days.